Profits, baby. What's up, people? How everybody doing? I know I'm doing good. Looking good. Smelling good. Tasting good. Confidence, everything. I hope you're over there smelling good. Probably over there stanking. But yeah, I just want to let everybody know that I'm good, and I hope y'all good too. With all this coronavirus going on, crazy world right now, man. Crazy world in this recession. People out of jobs. Some people ain't get unemployment. All you can do is go to the top. All you can do is profit from the top. Be dedicated. Be motivated, and keep striving, man. Thanks to the Most High, you wake up every day. Thank you for life, strength, and health. That's all you can do is thank the man upstairs. You know what I'm saying? If all else fails, all you can do is thank him. You can lose your job tomorrow, you can lose your car tomorrow. As long as you're still alive to make a profit, as long as you're still alive to tell the Lord, thank you for waking me up to see your kids, your siblings, your family, mom, your pops. That's a blessing. We all blessed to be here. And if you hear another day in the 24 hours, make something out of it. Like I said at the beginning. We all ain't getting unemployment. We all might be out of job. Some of us might be out of the job. But if you got this computer right here, you got a laptop, you got a phone, man, it's a lot of ways. And I'm gonna say it, there's a lot of ways to make money online, man. We about to be in 2021. And if you ain't hit, please get hit. Please start from somewhere, man. Start from somewhere. Stop slaving for the other man. Stop slaving for the other man. I'm gonna say it again. Be a leader, not a follower, man. Because they leading while you following. And I'm not here to say too much in this brief message, but I'm gonna tell you, I'm missing more profits. I ain't never waiting up for nobody, man. Sometimes you get too caught up in that comfort zone. You be at a job for so long, you get too caught up mentally in that comfort zone, you can't get out. And you be stuck mentally, until you decide to quit or you get fired. And either way, God pulled you. You quit or you got fired. He pulled you from that situation to build a bigger situation. Now, I'm telling you right now, if you quit or you got fired, don't never go back to a job. Follow your dreams. Whatever dream you got, follow your dreams. Jump off that bridge. Take a leap of faith. And that's facts. Don't never go back to the same job or go back to a job, period. Start your own business. Your dream can't be working for somebody else. Your dream always got to be working for yourself. That's living. We got freedom. We all free right now. But living is living your dream. Follow your dream, working for yourself. That's all I got to say, Mr. Moore Profits. Hope you all have a abundance day, a blessing day. Strive to the top. And thank the man upstairs. Profits, baby. Y'all have a good one.